guys, it's the day after the snowstorm and I'm back out again trying to get some more great shots of wildlife. But I thought I'd take this opportunity to let you see a film that I made a couple of years back. It was up in Sheriff Muirs, on the moors, and get you steady there. Anyway, without further ado, I hope you enjoy this next film. It was one I put together, I think it was 2017 or 2018, something like that. But anyway, it's all about filming wildlife on the reservoir. Let's have a look at it. Enjoy it. Well, that's me set up and I'm ready to take some shots of the coots and young cygnets, which are just over there just now. And there's quite a few bird species on here at the moment, but I've got all my equipment set up, so I want to see what I can get today. I should get some worthwhile. Let's see anyway. I've just spotted some coot chicks that I want to get on film. I've never had the young coot chicks on film before, so this is my opportunity. So I'm on my way to the other side of the reservoir to do it. I don't know but if you can hear them, but they're there. In fact, I'm just going to lead them. So I was going to go up the way, get into a position over here. Luck, I'll get that shot that I've always wanted. The coot chicks. Right guys, coots are dark grey in colour to black, jet black birds with a bright white bill and forehead. The legs are yellow-green, and at close range you may see a small patch of red on the forehead. You'll find coots eating aquatic plants on almost any body of water. The coot mating season occurs during May and June. Coot mate pairings are monogamous throughout their life, given they have a suitable territory A typical reproductive cycle involves multiple stages: pairing, nesting, copulation, egg deposition, incubation and hatching, etc. Right guys, here's a great fact for you. Coot chick mortality occurs mainly due to starvation rather than predation, as coots have difficulty feeding a large family of hatchlings on the tiny shrimp and insects that they collect. Most chicks die in the first 10 days after hatching, when they are most dependent on the adults for food. Coots can be very brutal to their own young under pressure, such as the lack of food, and after about 3 days they start attacking their own chicks when they beg for food. After a short while, these attacks concentrate on the weaker chicks, who eventually give up and die. The coot may eventually raise only 2 or 3 out of 9 hatchlings in this attacking behaviour. So there you go guys, these chicks have not got an easy time of it, an easy life, at the very beginning of their life anyway. So let's hope that this brood will prosper and the majority survive. They look lovely, don't they? As I have said previously guys, I've always wanted to film coot chicks. I've never had the opportunity to do so, and it's great today that I can do it, and I can also get some reference film and photographs for painting coots and coot chicks, which I'm going to be doing shortly. By luck guys, this thunderstorm's passing us by, and I think we're going to make it home dry. I hope you enjoyed that film there. I'm planning on going up there and doing more wildlife filming on the reservoir this spring. I think that was the springtime that I filmed that. I think it was just before the summer. I think it was springtime and summer. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in the next vlog, which I hope you're going to come and watch, and I hope you can subscribe for more. So until next time, we'll say goodbye. I'm off to go get some more wildlife for you. Bye bye.